Vimeo SSO 101, Vimeo SCIM. Vimeo offers single sign-on, SSO, as part of its enterprise-level offerings to provide organizations with centralized authentication and access management for their users. Here are the details of Vimeo SSO. 1. Integration options. Vimeo SSO can be integrated with identity providers, IdPs, that support SAML 2.0, security assertion markup language, such as Okta, OneLogin, Microsoft Azure AD, and others. The integration allows users to log into Vimeo using their existing credentials from the organization's identity provider, streamlining the authentication process and reducing the need for multiple passwords. 2. Authentication process. When a user attempts to access Vimeo, they are redirected to the organization's SSO login page. After authenticating with their organization's credentials, the user is redirected back to Vimeo, where they are automatically logged in without needing to enter a separate username and password. 3. Benefits. Enhanced security. SSO eliminates the need for users to maintain separate credentials for each service, reducing the risk of password-related security breaches. Streamlined access management. Administrators can manage user access to Vimeo centrally through the organization's identity provider, simplifying user provisioning and deprovisioning processes. Improved user experience. SSO provides a seamless login experience for users, reducing friction and improving productivity. 4. Features and capabilities. Single sign-on, SSO. Users can log into Vimeo using their organization's SSO credentials. Just-in-time, JIT, provisioning, automatically create user accounts in Vimeo upon their first login through SSO, eliminating the need for manual user creation. User attribute mapping. Map user attributes, example name, email, role, from the identity provider to Vimeo user profiles for accurate user management and permissions. 5. Setup and configuration. Organizations can set up and configure Vimeo SSO through the Vimeo Enterprise dashboard or by working with Vimeo's customer support team. The configuration typically involves establishing trust between the organization's identity provider and Vimeo, configuring SAML settings, and mapping user attributes. 6. Usage and administration. Once SSO is set up, administrators can manage user access and permissions within Vimeo through the organization's identity provider console. Administrators can enforce security policies, access controls, and multi-factor authentication, MFA, settings through the identity provider to ensure compliance and security. 7. Documentation and support. Vimeo provides documentation and guides for setting up and configuring SSO integration with supported identity providers. Organizations can also access support resources and contact Vimeo's customer support team for assistance with SSO setup and troubleshooting. Vimeo SSO offers organizations a secure and streamlined way to manage user access to the Vimeo platform, enhancing security, productivity, and user experience.